Versatile nature of carbon. Carbon has unique ability to form bonds with other carbon atoms, thus forming large chain of molecules. This property of carbon is known as catenation. Carbon compounds can consist of long chains of carbon atoms or branched chains of carbon atoms or also ring structure. Silicon can also form chain structure up to 7 or 8 atoms, but the structure is highly reactive. These structures may have carbon atoms linked with single, double or triple bonds. Carbon compounds, if linked with single bonds, then the compound is called saturated compounds. Carbon compounds, if linked with double or triple bonds, then the compound is called unsaturated compounds. Since valency of carbon is 4, hence it can form a bond with 4 carbon atoms or atoms of other elements. Each compound has specific physical and chemical properties. For example, diamond is solid and hard, while methane CH4 is a gas. Saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds. Saturated carbon compounds have carbon atoms linked with single bond. Consider example of ethane with chemical formula C2H6. To draw the structure, first link the carbon atoms. Then use hydrogen atoms to satisfy valency of each carbon atom. The electron dot structure is saturated compounds of carbon and hydrogen. The figure shows some saturated compounds with their formula and structure. Unsaturated carbon compounds are those in which carbon atoms are linked with double or triple bonds. For example, ethene and ethyne, etc. For example, ethene C2H4. Electron dot structure of ethene and ethyne can be given as chains, branches and rings. Carbon atoms in a carbon compound can be rearranged to form different structures. For example, butane consists of 4 carbon atoms. These can be rearranged as such structures which have same molecular formula but different structures are called structural isomers. In some carbon compounds, the carbon atoms forms ring structures. For example, cyclohexane C6H12. Hydrocarbons. The carbon compounds which are made up of carbon and hydrogen only are called hydrocarbons. The saturated hydrocarbons are called alkanes. For example, methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, etc. The unsaturated hydrocarbons which contain at least a double bond and no triple bond is called alkenes. For example, ethene, propene, butene, pentene, hexane. The unsaturated hydrocarbons which contain at least a triple bond is called alkynes. For example, ethyne, propyne, butyne, pentyne, hexyne. General formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2. For alkene, CnH2n. For alkynes, it is CnH2n minus 2. Other carbon compounds. With nature of forming a covalent bond, Carbon can form a bond with hydrogen as well as other atoms such as halogens, for example, chlorine, fluorine, bromine, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. In such compounds, the element replacing the hydrogen is called heteroatom. This heteroatom gives specific properties to the compound so formed regardless of length and nature of carbon chain, hence called as functional groups. Some of the functional groups are halo, chloro or bromo, Cl, Br, alcohol, OH, aldehyde, CHO, ketone, CO, carboxylic acid, COOH. Homologous series. Series of compounds which have same functional groups is called homologous series. For example, CH3OH, CH3CH2OH, CH3CH2CH2OH, CH3CH2CH2CH2OH. With increased chain, molecular mass increases. With increased chain, molecular mass increases. With increased molecular mass, melting and boiling points increases. Nomenclature of carbon compounds. For the given compound, select longest chain of carbon atoms and determine the parent alkane. Identify the functional group in the compound. Number the carbon atoms in the chain such that the carbon atom nearest to functional group get lowest number. Now, name the compound by replacing letter E of parent alkane by the functional group. Name the compound indicating the position of the functional group. So, the name of the compound is propan-1-ol. For unsaturated carbon chain, the final ANE is replaced with ENE or YNE as per the bond. For example, propyne, butyne, hexene. Nomenclature of functional groups.